someone's coming back around. This is probably someone who you thought you were done with, but they seem to have unfinished business with you. So this might be something that is very unexpected, okay? I know we're through Mercury retrograde, so we shouldn't have any surprises coming, but because it's come after that period, it could be quite important. There's a level of forgiveness, understanding, kind of level of peace that needs to be found from this person coming back around. So you may have finished things on a bit of a disagreement, okay? So maybe you didn't finish things on good terms, but it also didn't seem that important to you. But it seems to be, so maybe it's a soul development thing that you have to go through. Now, there was chemistry there with this person, and I feel as though this person wanted commitment, but maybe it just didn't work out. And now there's regret. So this person's working their way back around, and they're going to be coming in very soon. I would say that they're going to be texting you or calling you, because it keeps giving me technology there. So that's what's coming in. This person still has feelings for you, okay? So whatever the circumstances were where you separated, drifted, maybe it was a timing thing, maybe you were interested in them, but it just didn't kind of come together. Well, they're coming back around, and they are coming in to end some sort of cycle. So whether it's to end it, apologize and move on, or whether it's to end that and try and start a new cycle, because the world is often the ending of one and beginning of another. Now, it's interesting because it shows here you have a level of familiarity, sorry, I can't speak, familiarity with this person. So you're quite comfortable with this person, or you were at one point, and then there became this huge block in communication, so you probably haven't spoken for some time. However, there are still feelings there, and there's some level of foundation, so you must know this person quite well, or you had an okay time together, but since then you've been alone and they've been alone, and they haven't really moved on with anyone. It's been kind of limbo, maybe for the both of you, and you just turned your back on this, okay? So maybe you've turned your back on it and not necessarily looked back at that person, but you haven't been able to move beyond this either. So this person's coming in, and it shows here you may feel like, oh, this is going to be exhausting and this is going to be draining, I don't want to open that back up. You don't have to, but there's something here that you need to take from this that will give you clarity. So if you ever did wonder about this person, or if you ever did think, do they think of me? This will kind of clear that up and let you know. Now, we have this energy here, so it might be that you think they have an ulterior motive. They may have an ulterior motive. Maybe they want to go out with you. Maybe they want it back on. But I would suggest that you kind of hear them out before you make a decision on what you want to do with that, because we have the Wheel of Fortune with this. It's also by the Queen of Pentacles. Those two together bring in an opportunity to settle down. So it's your call. If you were interested in this person as they are in you, and if you feel as though that what you did develop at one point is worth it, then you can definitely go back into this and, you know, make something of it, because the timing seems to be better now. So it's just showing here, really, put the work in and you can have a very hopeful future with this person.